Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful purse in plastic canvas. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, cutter, needle, velcro, plastic canvas and lining. This purse is made of three colors. So first we'll take the plastic canvas and work from one side of the canvas till the other side. Same way we will work with the blue color on the other side. Then we will do the center dark blue color. Then we will join them in the sides and do the borders, do the lining and then fix the velcro. So now let's see how to do them. We'll take a long strands of yarn. Then in this plastic canvas we are going to work. So we'll skip this first square, insert the hook in the second square. So we'll leave little bit yarn at the end. Next insert the needle in the next square here. Next insert the needle in this square. Same way insert it in this side. Next in this square. 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 So it looks like this. We have to follow the same pattern till you reach this corner. That is by inserting the needle in this square and then bring back the needle to the other side and insert the needle through the square. Next insert the needle in the next square and bring the needle up and insert the needle back to the other side of the next square like this till you reach this end of this plastic canvas. So after doing them in one side it looks like this. So we have completed this side. Started from this side of the canvas, followed the pattern till you reach the other side. Same way we have taken a blue color, turn the canvas. So now we are going to do the same thing which we did with the red color. So we'll skip this first square, insert it in the second square like this and leave a little tail, catch like this and insert the hook back to the other side of the square. Next insert it in the next square, bring back down through the other square. Insert it in the next square, bring back to the other side of the square. Insert it in the next side, bring back to the other side. So it looks like this. So we have to follow the same pattern till you reach the other side of this plastic canvas. How we did this red color. We started here and we end other side. Same way in this blue color we are starting here and we will end here. Started from here and finished it till the other end. So it looks like this. So now we'll see how to end this. Turn them. We'll insert this under all of them till you reach the first and pull through. Then you can insert it the alternative in a zigzag method like that to secure the stitch. Now you can snip off this yarn. After completing them it looks like this. So next we are going to do in the center part. For that we'll take the next color. Same way we will insert it in this first stitch. So leave a little bit of tail and bring it to the other end and insert it in this side. Next, bring back the yarn to the other side. Insert it in this next hook. Pull through. Bring them back to the next square and pull the yarn through that square. Next, bring back the hook to the next stitch and pull through. So it looks like this. We have to follow this till you reach this end. So after completing them, it looks like this. Next we'll see how to attach the lining to this canvas. So take the lining cloth, place the plastic canvas top of it and cut the lining cloth by leaving 1/2 inch width on all these sides. So now we have got this lining cloth and now we'll see how to attach them to this canvas. We'll take the wrong side of the canvas and place the lining on the top of it. And we will pin on all the 4 sides of the canvas. Take a needle and a thread and make a knot at the end of the thread. Now we are going to weave them. Remove this and start weaving them. So likewise you are going to weave on all the 4 sides. After weaving the lining to the canvas, it looks like this. This is the back side and this is the front side. Next, we are going to fold them to make it like a pouch. It will comes like this. So first we are going to join them like this, both the sides. Take a yarn and we are going to weave them like this. Insert them in both these sides like this. So it looks like this. Leave a little bit of tail in front. Insert the hook in the same hole once more and pull through. Next, insert in the next hole and insert in the next square. Insert it once more in the same squares. Insert it one more time. Insert it once more time. So you are going to insert in the next square on both the sides and pull them. Insert in the next squares. So it looks like this. Likewise, inserting the hook on each square on both these sides till you reach this end. So after joining one side, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do only in one side. Like this way we are going to do. Likewise, you are going to do them till you reach this end, and then we will join the sides how we did in the other side by inserting the hook in both the holes till you reach this end. So after doing them, the pouch looks like this. Next, you are going to do the same thing what we did here on the top of this pouch. Insert it in the same space. You can make a knot to secure them. So likewise you are going to do them across till you reach this end, and in this corners we will be doing 4 stitches in the same square. After doing the top part and the side, it looks like this. Next I have attached the velcro for this pouch. So after attaching the velcro, it looks like this. The pouch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.